Hi guys, welcome to my channel Crack with Josh. Today we are going to discuss about one of the important topic from ancient India known as Indus Valley Civilization. Let us know more about this. Indus Valley Civilization was also known as Harappan Civilization because Harappa was one of the first site to be discovered in entire Indus Valley Civilization. So Indus Valley Civilization was also known as Harappan Civilization. In 1826, Charles Mason first discovered the ruins of Harappa civilization by laying railway lines. Later, Alexander Cunningham, first Director General and also known as Father of Indian Archaeology, visited Harappa sites in 1871. And in 1924, John Marshall coined the term Indus Valley Civilization. Here, John Marshall name was very important because in many competitive exams, question was asked as who coined the term Indus Valley Civilization. So remember, John Marshall coined the term Indus Valley Civilization. Here, Indus Valley Civilization got its name from Indus River. Here, the places where civilization takes place was fully on the banks of River Indus, which was very fertile during at that time. Then, Indus Valley Civilization was divided into three phases. Early phase. This is the phase where many people settled along the banks of river Indus and development was started. Mature phase. This is the most important phase in the entire Indus Valley civilization. During this phase, Indus Valley civilization has seen peak of its development and most of the things were happened during this phase only. And later we see that late Harappan phase. In this phase, Indus Valley civilization starts declining due to some reasons which we will discuss later. And let us know some of the key features of Indus Valley civilization. The main important features of Indus Valley civilization was systematic town planning and grid system, advanced drainage system. It has its own characteristic pottery and seals, and it has a fortified citadel, except Chan Hudaro. Guys, let's see. This is what is meant by citadel, and this is all our lower town. And most of the people, like important persons and hierarchy, stayed on the place called citadel, and normal people were lived in the place called lower town. And we can see town planning. The streets were laid out in a rectangular grid pattern, and here burnt mud bricks were used. The bricks which we used for construction were made burnt, which were not burnt in Egypt civilization. They used direct dried mud bricks, and most of the houses have bathrooms and ventilators. During at that time only, they have advanced drainage system where small drainages will go to large drainage systems, and the city will be divided into two parts. We have already discussed. This is known as citadel, and all this was lower town. And we here discuss about another important feature in Indus Valley civilization was agriculture. So mainly two crops were cultivated in Indus Valley civilization during Rabi season, known as wheat and barley. and evidence of rice was found in Lothal and Rangpur. Very important, guys. Indus Valley civilization was the first civilization to produce cotton in the world. And there are other crops like dates, peas, sesame, mustard, etc. Gaberland and Nalas were found, but we can't conclude that canal irrigation was practiced because of the Gaberlands, but Gaberlands were found. And domestication of animals. We can see dogs, cats, asses, camels were domesticated by Harappan people, and humped bulls were favored by Harappans. Even they use it to in religious purposes. And Harappan civilization was not horse centered, but evidence was found in Surkatoda. In Harappan civilization, there were no traces of lion, and elephant, tigers, rhinoceros are known to Harappan people. Crafts. Along with stones, bronze and copper were also used to make some ornaments. They used it to make terracotta toys. They also produce elaborate beadwork, jewelry, and seals. And remember that the people of Harappan civilization were very fashion centered people. They used it to do fashion items like lipsticks and also many ornaments for hands which were imported from different places. We will discuss. The trade was supported by food, cotton, jewelry, etc., with measured weights and seals. Most imports were metals. Trade relations are more with Meluha in Mesopotamia, Dilmun in Bahrain, and Makan coast. Here the gold was imported from Afghanistan, Iran, and Kolar fields in South India, which we listened in movie KGF, and tin was imported from Afghanistan and Iran, and copper from Khetri, Rajasthan. These were the weights which were measured during at that time. Let us go to the social organization. Hierarchy was seen. Mostly priests and merchants were important at that time, and the Harappans were fashion conscious. Mother goddess was the chief female deity at that time, and Pasupati Mahadeva, the male female deity, which they were used to pray, but we don't know the correct, but it was a imagination, and this was the image of Pasupati Mahadeva with elephant, rhino, tiger from surrounded by Pasupati Mahadeva, and people tree and humped bull were also worshipped. If we go to the scripts, here most of the scripts were pictographic, which means the scripts were given in the information by drawing the images or drawing the pictures of the particular things. And we can also see that it has Bostrot Fidon type of writing, which means the Bostrot Fidon type of writing means they move from left to right and again right to left and again left to right. But we write only in the form of left to right only. But in Bostrofeden type of style, and in this format, and in pottery, most common are plain pottery, Sometimes red and black color paints were also used as designs like this. But we don't know the correct reasons of declining of the Harappan civilization. But some of the most accepted reasons were Aryan invasion, decline of trade, natural calamities like floods and earthquake, and the most acceptable reason was ecological imbalance. So let us move to important sites of Harappan civilization. The first and the most important site of Harappan civilization was Harappa, which was discovered by Dayaram Sahni in 1921. It was situated near the bank of river Ravi and in the state of Punjab in Pakistan. So Harappa was situated in Pakistan. And the important findings at the river site Harappa was sandstone statues, granaries, bullock carts. The second and the most important site in entire Harappan civilization was Mohenjo-daro. We also seen in the movie Mohenjo-daro acted by Hrithik Roshan. Mohenjo-daro is also known as Mound of Dead because during excavation we can see that many dead bodies were found on the area filled with mud. We don't know the correct reason, but it can be due to floods or many things. And it was excavated by R.D. Banerjee in 1922. It was situated on the bank of river Indus and it was also in the district of Punjab, Pakistan. And we can find that in Mohenjo-daro there are many excavated things like Great Bath, Granary, Bronze Dancing Girl, Seal of Pasupati Mahadeva, Statue of Beard Man, a piece of woven cloth. Lothal. Lothal was the third site excavated by R. Rao in 1953. It was situated in India on Bogwa River near Gulf of Cambay. It was the first man-made port. It has dockyard, rice husk, fire altars, chess playing, and the place Lothal was very important because in many competitive exams they asked that which Harappan site has dockyard. So remember that Lothal is the first Harappan site to have dockyard and man-made port. The another important site was Kalibangan. It was excavated by Ghose in 1953 on the bank of Gaggar River in Rajasthan. It has fire altars which is used to do some kind of rituals. We can't say, but these were used to perform some rituals. Some camel bones, wooden plug. Chanhodara. Chanhodara was one of the important site in Harappan civilization, which was discovered by N.G. Majumdar in 1931. It was situated in the bank of river Sindh on Indus River. It has bead maker shop, footprint of a dog chasing a cat. So by seeing these footprints, we can conclude that dogs and cats were domesticated during Harappan civilization time, and Chanhodara was one of the industrial site where they used to make some beads and some jewelry, most of the metalworks, etc. The another site known as Banavali, situated on the bank of River, Hisar district of Haryana, and it was excavated by R.S. Bist in 1974. Here we have found that beads, barley, evidence of both pre-Harappan and Harappan culture. This is the place we have seen early Harappan phase and mid Harappan phase. Dholavira. It was also excavated by R.S. Bisti in 1985. It was situated at Gujarat in Rann of Kutch. In Dholavira, we can see that water harvesting systems and water reservoir. Before going to PYQs, we can say that another important site, Raki Gari, it was one of the largest site in Indus Valley civilization. So let us move to some PYQs which were asked in SSC exams like CGL, CHSL, GD, and some another competitive exam. So the granary at Harappa was made of bricks and stones, bricks only, bricks and timber, none of this. The correct answer was bricks only. And the second question was, which of the following site is the largest of all Indus settlements excavated? It was Dholavira. If Rakigari was there, then it was the correct answer. But here Dholavira is another important largest site in Indus Valley civilization. Rabi crops of Indus Valley are rice and wheat, barley and rice, wheat and barley, wheat and corn. We already discussed this. The correct answer is wheat and barley. Indus Valley civilization became known for its excavations at Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Roper, none of these. The correct answer was Harappa because it was the first site discovered by Dayaram Sahni in 1921. Later we have find all the other sites. So Indus Valley civilization was known because of Harappa. Which one of the following sites of Indus Valley civilization had an ancient dockyard? Harappa, Lothal, Rangpur, Kalibangan. The correct answer was Lothal. We already discussed that it has first man-made port and also dockyard, which is used to perform trades to some important places like Mesopotamia and Dilhum. Which metal was not known to Harappan people? We can see that copper from Rajasthan, tin from Afghan and Iran, and we have not seen that iron. Gold and silver also available at that time. So iron was not available in Harappan civilization. Which of the following Indus Valley civilization sites provide the evidence of fire altars? Kalibangan, Kunal, Banavali, Alamgirpur. Guys, we have discussed this. Comment this in the question box. Button size seals of Harappan civilization have symbols of Srivasta, fish, swastik, none of the above. Swastik, guys, remember the seals will have symbol of swastik. Which of the following Indus Valley sites is the famous bull seal was found? Mohenjo-daro, Chanhudaro, Lothal, Harappa. We have found it in Mohenjo-daro. Which animal have not discovered in the Indus Valley civilization? Lion, horse, bull, elephant. Guys, we know that humped bull was worshipped during at that time, and elephant was situated on the image of Pasupati Mahadeva. And in Surkatevada, we have found the evidence of horse. So lion was the correct answer. Which site of Indus Valley is on Pakistan? Talibangan, Harappa, Lothal, Alamgirpur. Harappa was the correct answer because Harappa was situated in Pakistan in Punjab province. Beside Harappa, Mohenjo-daro is also situated in Pakistan, and Alamgirpur was situated in UP. Which site of Indus Valley situation is located in India? Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, none of the above. In the above question, we already discussed it, guys. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are from Pakistan, so Lothal was the correct answer. The Harappan city, represented by archaeological site of Lothal, was situated on the river. Here, Lothal was situated on the river of Narmada. Most of the, remember guys, most of the Indus Valley civilization sites were situated in North India, in western side. So Narmada, Mahi are not even we have listened in the previous class. So answer was Bhogava. The Lothal site was situated on the river of Bhogava. Which of the following is not Indus Valley civilization site? Kalibangan, Ropar, Pataliputra, Lothal. So the guys, the correct answer is Pataliputra. The Great Bath was found in Indus Valley civilization at Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Lothal, Kalibangan. The correct answer was Mohenjo-daro. Besides Great Bath, we can also find great granaries, image of Pasupati Mahadeva, goddess, mother goddess, and all are situated in and excavated in Mohenjo-daro only. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Harappa, Dayaram Sani, correct. Lothal, S.R. Rao, correct. Surktoda, J.P. Joshi, correct. Dolivara, it was wrong, guys. Which of the following sites is located in the valley of Gaggar and its associated rivers? Alamgirpur, UP, Lothal, Mohenjo-daro, Pakistan, Banawali is correct answer. Because in previous question we already studied that Lothal was situated on the river of Bhogava. Which Harappan site is divided into three parts? Lothal, Kalibangan, Dolavira, Surktoda. We already seen that city was divided into two parts. Upper town, Citadel, lower town. But Dolavera was divided into three parts. Who was the director of archaeological excavation that led to the discovery of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro? John Marshall, because he named the term Indus Valley Civilization. And we can see that Cunningham was father of Indian archaeology and he has known about the Indus Valley civilization sites. But the discovery was led by John Marshall only. Indus Valley civilization is known for its town planning, Mohenjo-daro and Harappa for agriculture work, for industrial civilization. Most of the answer was town planning for Mohenjo-daro and Harappa for their agriculture work, for its industrial civilization. So all are correct. Thank you guys. If you like my channel, please subscribe. And the next part of Vedic civilization will be available soon. Thank you. And if I